When I have a new client who's had trauma, the first thing that I think of is choice. Because in trauma, choice is lost. It happens to them, something from the outside injures them, violates them in some way. They have lost the control. So reinstating that at the very beginning is, I think, essential. Even in a little ways, like when a client comes into my office, I might say, where do you want to sit? Rather than have me dictate where they sit. So in these little moments where you're demonstrating trust in the client's own intelligence, the client's own healing power, that starts to establish a certain kind of relationship that they can begin to rest in, that you know that answer and that intelligence is inside them. And they start to find that in relationship with you.
Treating trauma is a complicated process, but it's also some of the most important work that we as practitioners do. For the latest research and expert strategies, just click the link below.